Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 back, okay? I forgot the vlog yesterday on yesterday's episode of The Price is Right, okay? When, I think it was the second pricing game was switcheroo, you know? Kristen, either Christine or Kristen, I'm talking about yesterday's episode, May the 16th. 2019 from yesterday, okay? Today's the 17th. I forgot to vlog about yesterday, though, because I was too tied up on things, you know? Okay? So, I wonder if she... anyway, wait a minute. I watched the full pricing game, though, and plus she didn't even win nowhere in the showcase, you know? I was hoping she would win nowhere in the showcase, you know? But she wouldn't have been a top winner of that showcase, you know? So the thing is, her first try, she had everything wrong, you know, but she changed everything except the car, you know. When I saw she didn't change the car, I said she ain't win the car. She ain't win the car. That's all I said. And then Drew Carey asked how many do she have right? It said one. I said, I know it's not the car. You know, I already knew that, though. I forgot what she won yesterday, so if somebody upload that episode on YouTube, I'll see. But some of you watch the shows more than me as far as that, you know. All right, that's all. All right, bye-bye.